This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can connect this device to VPN. So first step is to download the app that you will be using to do that. I prefer using the Turbo VPN. That's a free tool. I mean, it has the premium version of the app, which allows you to have an access to more servers, but even the unpaid version is good enough to be used. So that's why that's my preferred app of choice. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap the green continue button. Then skip this ad. And in order to finally set up the connection to VPN, just tap at the caret icon over here. Then accept or confirm the connection request. And as you can see by this little key indicator or icon at the status bar, the VPN connection was successfully established. While connected to VPN, you can reconnect yourself to alternative servers or countries. So let's say you'd like to unlock some region-locked or region-specific content in Germany. So I'll reconnect myself to server in Germany then. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, simply tap at the cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.